Welcome to Wisdom Walkers. You've heard Bible stories, but have you ever walked through them? This isn't just a place for perfect people or polished answers. It's for the curious, the doubters, the overthinkers, the ones who've been told to just have faith, but still have questions. At Wisdom Walkers, we explore the Bible through bold conversations, timeless truths, and real-life perspective. We will walk with Eve, Ruth, and Mary, but also with David, Peter, and even the one who betrayed Jesus. Yes, him, and many others. We talk about identity, heartbreak, calling, fear, forgiveness, purpose, and pressure. We ask hard questions like what to do when God feels silent, or when the Bible feels confusing, or when life just doesn't make sense. Here's the truth. Faith was never meant to be passive. It was meant to be a walk, one step at a time. So, if you're ready for deeper wisdom, stronger truth, and a journey that just might change you, lace up. Let's walk it out. Together. This is Wisdom Walkers, where ancient truth meets modern life.